Alright, hey folks, Bob here. I'm doing a quick video on, I'm making a light for my dartboard. And what I have here is, I tried to find the best thing that I could use. I was looking at maybe getting like a Rubbermaid trash can and cutting it. I wanted something to like a dome cover to go over the dartboard, and then have the lights come in from the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting this around the size of the dartboard, and I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but we'll see. I'm going to put a list of, I'll link all the parts that I've used in this project. This right here is some kind of a cover, or not a cover, but it's for, like to put underneath a drum, a 55-gallon drum, and it's like a funnel for like feeding like cows, or something like that. I did a lot of searching, and I thought maybe it's like a hard plastic material, so I thought maybe this might be a good thing. And it wasn't that expensive. It was around $23, I believe. So I'm going to be cutting this out, and then I'm going to be mounting the lights, the LED strip lights. I'm going to be mounting them around here, and hopefully it'll shine in at the dartboard. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. Alright, so let's get to it. So, first thing I'm going to do is center the dartboard in here, and I'm going to drill a pilot hole. Okay, I drilled my pilot hole, so now I'm going to take my string Alright, got my mark all the way around, so now all I got to do is cut. What I'm going to do here is I've angled the drill. I've angled it, so when I cut in here, it's going to be more of a angled cut. Okay, more of an angled cut, because I have trimming that I'm going to be putting on here, and I believe this is a little thicker. It won't accommodate this trim, because I think the edges are probably going to be a little jagged, so I want to make it look nice. We'll see what that looks like. I'm not sure how that's going to come out, but we'll see. All right, let's cut this bad boy. A little sandpaper around the edge. All right.